Hello everyone and welcome back to Think Big Digital, where we bring you professional tips, tools and techniques to enhance your digital productivity and security. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to use layers in Canva. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. At first, we're gonna open the Canva website, and if we don't have any account, you can simply open a new Canva account through your Google account or any of your other account. After signing up, we're gonna choose any of our designs that we want to use layers on. So here I have selected a mood board, and it has different layers of stickers and gifs and pictures and sticky notes and whatnot. So for that, we're gonna click any of the picture and right click on it. We will find the toggle, and there we will select the option layer and also select the option show layers. So this will show every single layer that is available on the project. So we can change the sequences of the layers however we want. We can also change the overlapping position and sequence of the stickers or the pictures. So that's it for today, guys. That's how you layer the pictures and stickers or whatever that is present on the design in your Canva account. And this is it for today. If this tutorial was helpful, please take a moment to like this video, and if you have any queries, drop a comment down below and we will get back to you within 24 hours to associate you with our best efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, happy organizing.